Hello, this is Merini, and I'm going to show you today how I make meatballs with my canned chicken. We'll need the canned chicken, some breadcrumbs, crushed onions, your spices, some eggs. It's as easy as mixing them all together. I've just taken out the chicken from the can and shredded it with my fingers. It's an easy job. Then add your onions and your breadcrumbs along with the spices. I've used oregano, parsley mixed there. Using a nice big wooden spoon, I am just gonna mix this up well and just to combine everything. This is the consistency that you are looking for when you squeeze it between your fingers or in your palms, that it doesn't fall apart. You can now proceed to make your meatballs. If it's not as firm, just add another egg. Next up, we'll just oil my pan very well and add all the ready-made or ready formed meatballs into a pan, baking it at 180 degrees until golden brown.